Hey guys! So I just wanted to share a quick tutorial of how I figured out how to curl all this hair in 15 minutes or less. Just something new that I figured I'd try, and it worked. So my hair is normally really straight, like sleek, super straight, and I did some beach waves in it yesterday, and so this is just left over. So I'm gonna do a quick run through of how I do it, and if it might work for you. I'd say it works better with longer hair. If you have shorter hair, you could try it, but I would recommend a smaller wand. So the wand I'm using for this, it's a Remington. I honestly probably got this at Target or Walmart, but it's a really good curling iron. I really, really like it. So first things first is I put my hair in a really high ponytail. Crazy, right? What I like about this version is, when you have all your hair down, you're kind of constantly worried about all the missing pieces, right? So this way you don't have to worry about all those pieces, and you can just do what's in the ponytail. Okay. Make sure there's no tangles. All right. Now what I'm gonna do is take a small piece of hair and I start curling. I typically like to, it doesn't really matter, but I'll do it away from my face. And I don't curl the ends, because you want it to be beach waves, which that means the ends are usually straight. So I'll just hold it there for a few seconds. Let's see. Light, not super tight, but light wave. So you'll notice that when I take the curl out, I usually go slow and let it sit a little bit so that it cools and just doesn't drop off. It seems to just hold the curls better, so they don't, my hair goes flat pretty quick if I don't use any product at all. So that's my little trick. Okay, so I'm about halfway through my ponytail, so now what I'll do is I'll do the other side. More. Okay. You can notice how they're all like just kind of wavy, right? And then they're straight on the ends. So second we'll see the finished product. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in the ponytail. So now basically you can spray it before you take it down or you can wait. I just take it right down. And you can leave it like this. Like, look how great that looks. You can just run your fingers through it and what it'll do is kind of loosen up those curls in there. I always take just some kind of hairspray and put it through it. I don't use any special products, but yeah, I just love the loose look. Like the tight curls sometimes to me, like they just get tangly or maybe a more formal event. But for something that's just like an everyday wear, I like these. I hope you guys like that tutorial, and if you'd like more, feel free to like, share, comment below, and I'd be glad to share even more tutorials. Thank you!